me this year is a fiscal year, all these prices they are not real, but we are just trying to use them to explain what we call what payroll. Okay, so now let's go over, let's start now. Now first we're going to talk about, first we're going to add what our currency to this list of what salaries, actual salary for the month. So you're going to highlight these ones like this, then you go over to your number under your home tab, your number launcher, you click on this launcher, you click on what launcher, wait for it, it's currency, you click on currency, you look for the currency you like, you see dollar, you see pounds, you see yen, but we're going to move over and look for the ones that carry what ngn, that's for our naira. So we're going to click it, then we're going to click ok. Wow, automatically naira is applied to all the figures here. Gonna make this code a little bit good. Okay, now we now have what our price, not just the price, you have now we now have the salary. I'm going to make this all of them center aligned, so it's going to be easy for us to work with. Okay, good. Then we have gotten they gave us 2008 budget, actual salary. Now we as with excel, we have to calculate the 2009 budget, 2010 budget, 2011 budget, 2015 budget and 2013 what budget. So let's get on work right now. Okay, so let's go back to our manuscript. We always have one. Yeah guys, we know we always have one. So we're going to look at, say that as a principal officer in the ministry, you are required to use Microsoft Excel to prepare a 5-year payroll for the principal officers of the ministry, which will be was submitted to the National Assembly for approval. Use the guideline below. Okay, our first question will be what? Sub 2009 budget is what? 100% of 2008 actual. So to God be the glory, we already have our stuff written here. We're going to do equal to a 110%, 110% of, that means times our 2008 actual salary. So we're going to click on it, then press enter. So guys, I'm going to increase the font size here so we can be able to be on the same page, so we can be able to see what I do very well. Good. Okay, so I'm dragging this out, just give me few moments, we're going to be out of. Okay, so good. So I've gotten our 2019 budget, our 2009 budget has been already brought out, because why? We do 100% of our what actual 2008 salary. That's what was asked of us. So to get the other ones, we just drag it down, drag to get other for other positions. Okay, so wow, see what we've got. We have gotten salary for other what position. And let's move over to 2010 and see how it goes. Okay, so looking at my script again, it said number two says 2010 budget is what 120% of 2008 actual salary. So we're going to still go back there in our excel. I'm going to put equals to 120% times and still our actual salary, which is 2008. We're going to be B8. Okay, B8. Okay, this is B, under B in front of 8. Press enter. Okay, now good. You see now I've got our 2010 budget, so we're going to drag it down to give you for other what positions. Wow, so these are other positions what they're going to get. So let's go over to our manuscript again and see how we're going to solve for the number 3 question. Is number 2 question say 2011 budget is what? Mark you 100% of 2009 and 2010 budget. So we're going to add 2009 and 2010. We're going to multiply it to 100%. That will give us our what? 2011 budget. So it's going to be so like this. So I love you guys. Please drop your comments. If you have any comments, you can drop it below in the comment section. I'd like to hear from you. What are your thoughts about this, and how what you can add more for you to understand? So let's go over. So it's going to be what? 100% times, you can say off. Then we're going to open bracket. Now we're going to do 2009 budget, which is C, C8 plus D8. Yes, because we are, and means plus. So we're going to close the bracket and press enter. So we go, these are what? Our 2011 budget. So when you drag it down, it's going to give you our budget for that 2011. Okay guys, good. Then we have what? How we call 2012 budget. 2012 what? Budget. Okay, how do we do that? Let's go out our manuscript. 2012 budget says is 100 110% of 2011 budget. 110% of 2011 what budget. Now this is a payroll, this is a payroll, this is a payroll. So we're just learning how to calculate payrolls in this form using our manuscript. So 110% of, now we're going to put what of 2011, so we're going to click on 2011. This is E8, press enter. So this is our what budget for 2012. Okay, these are budgets for 2012. Then you're going to drag it down, you're going to give you other ones. See, at this moment just clap for yourself because you are learning what can help you be able to calculate for budgeting later in the future based on the company you are working with or based on the ministry that you find yourself. Okay, so next we're going to talk about our 2013 budget. So under 2013 budget we talk about what 2013 budget is 120%, mark you, of 2010 plus 2011 plus 2012. So we're going to go back, we're going to add 2010, 2011, 20, I'm going to multiply by 120. Okay, so we're going to come here put equal to 120% times bracket. Now we're going to add up from 2010, 2011 and 2012. Going to be 2010, which is this D8 plus, you understand, E8 plus F8. So you close the bracket and you press what, enter. Now you are not seeing it now because your answer now is more than the space. So just drag it, you will see it. Wow, 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 wow. That is nice. So this is what 120% summation of this thing you have here. Okay, so that is how we calculate our budget for 2013. So we're going to drag this down to see what it gives us. Wow, so this is our budget from the year 2008 to what 2013. That's how you calculate it. Okay, that's how you what you calculate it. Okay guys, so we're gonna do something here right now. Let's see our last question and manage. Let's see what is being said. Say that calculate the annual per year salary actual of all position. Calculate the annual per year salary actual of all position. So we're going to go back to our work now. I'm going to what make a summation. We're going to make summation. Okay. Okay, so let me just put a red here. Just put a red and put it. Okay, so you click here, you put report. Now you're going to scroll up a little bit. Yes, pick from the first position, which is what permanent secretary. Clicking on it, but we're going to make a sum first. Sum bracket up. Click this to. You're going to our last executive. Yes, you close the bracket and press what, enter. So the size is small, so let me just increase the font size so you can see it a little bit. We're going to make it bold. We're going to increase the font size. Okay, that is beautiful. So you can drag this, to solve for other budgets. Okay, for other total sum of other budgets here. So just we're going to refresh this like this. So guys, congratulations, thank you for reaching this far. So this is how you calculate what your payroll. This is how you calculate payroll. So no worry, I will be dropping the raw file, a link to get the raw file on the group down. So do move to get the raw file of this Excel package down, or this Excel worksheet down. So love to hear from you. So if you have watched so far, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Share the idea. There's love in sharing. Share the idea. Let you learn, let other people learn, and let us grow together. Thank you. Do have a nice time. Bye bye.